I'm Dr. Alan Haywood, electrophysiologist at the Bob and Patty Edwards Arrhythmia Center at Overlake Medical Center. Atrial fibrillation, or AFib, is a common condition we treat here at the Arrhythmia Center. It is a heart rhythm problem which can make your heart beat too fast. It may cause bothersome symptoms such as an irregular heartbeat, palpitations, dizziness, lightheadedness, and shortness of breath. Here at Overlake Medical Center, we provide leading-edge evaluation and treatment of cardiac arrhythmias, including AFib. Certain medications are used to control the rate of the rhythm or slow the heart rate during atrial fibrillation. Other medications may be used to control the rhythm to restore normal rhythm. Atrial fibrillation increases the risk of forming blood clots that can lead to stroke. We commonly use blood thinners to inhibit blood clot formation. Such treatment is often sufficient to adequately control the condition. When medication is not sufficient, other treatment options include electrical cardioversion and catheter ablation. Catheter ablation has revolutionized management of cardiac arrhythmias. Success rates are often greater than 90%. Catheter ablation eliminates the cells that can cause the abnormal rhythm. Catheter ablation uses thin, flexible wires which are passed through blood vessels to the heart. Atrial fibrillation is triggered by abnormal signals in the pulmonary veins. Electrical signals from the pulmonary veins act as the spark that triggers atrial fibrillation. To find the problem, an electrophysiology study is done. A three-dimensional map of the heart is then used to help identify the source of the arrhythmias and to guide the catheters. This also allows us to minimize any X-ray exposure. During this study, the doctor tries to induce or start a patient's abnormal heart rhythm. When the location of the arrhythmia is identified, energy is sent through the catheter to eliminate the abnormal signals. Pulmonary vein isolation is a catheter ablation technique where the doctor uses radiofrequency energy or heat energy to create a small rim of scar tissue around the pulmonary veins. This prevents the abnormal signals from reaching the heart and triggering the atrial fibrillation. All of us at the Arrhythmia Center at Overlake are proud to provide compassionate, leading-edge care that improves the lives of our patients and their families.